Hi there. Today, I'm going to show you how to use PsycNET on the Divine Mercy University library website. First, you'll navigate to the library website at divinemercy.edu/library/. You'll come down to sign in using the library login link at the top of the navigation bar. Doing so will allow you to utilize more of the library's electronic resources that require authentication. You'll sign in using your unique barcode that you got via email and your password. Next, you'll click on the Resources tab and click on Library Databases. This will bring you to the Library Resources page, where you'll see underneath the APA PsycNET databases list, APA PsycNET. There are two different ways to search, using a basic search and using an advanced search. A basic search is very similar to searching on a search engine. For instance, you can type in a term, hit enter, and you'll get many different results, which you can filter over on the left-hand side. The advanced search option gives you more control over your search, helping you find more relevant articles quickly. You can use a Boolean search and, or, and not, as well as refine your search within the filter functions. As you can see, we have a more specific result from using Boolean functions. For more specific terms, you can look at the left-hand side of the page, and you'll see various options for filtering your results. If DMU has access, click on the blue PDF link for the full article. If the link isn't available, please contact the library for an interlibrary loan. To browse, click the Browse link and identify the databases you would like to search. You can browse by title or topic. The APA thesaurus helps you find precise search terms. For example, if you're researching addiction, the broader term is substance-related and addictive disorders. The narrower term would be drug addiction. There are other related terms below that you could click off and add to your search. As you can see, the search has been narrowed even more. Hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, please contact the staff of the library. Thank you.